Alright, we'll be taking out the passenger side. We'll be doing the brake pads, so oh man, I saw these gloves. All right, so we'll be doing the 14. I got my gloves. Just take out that one bolt on the back. Slide it out, and then as you're sliding it down, as you're sliding out the matter of fact, you can take out both of them. Take out both bolts. Okay, set the caliper aside. Get a flathead screw or a pry. Take the brake pads out. From there, what we do is take out this caliper pin, put some grease on them, put it inside, and go back and forth like this. This is how you service the caliper pin. This prevents the caliper from getting stuck up and well, it's one of the ways to prevent it from getting stuck up. Okay, got that in. Let's press the caliper piston. Okay, you gotta do this slowly, my guy. Go nice and slow. Okay. That's it. Like I said before, you only change this if it's damaged. If it's not making any noise, don't have to change it. If you want to, it's up to you. This is why you always have to do a test drive before you, well, yeah. Slide it back in. Make sure that the brake is flush. Bottom first, then in. Okay, that's good. That's it. That's how you change just the brake pads of a 23 Hyundai Tucson. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns regarding your car, just let me know down below. Alright, so we're gonna wrap it up. I hope that okay. Okay. Always have jack stand and safety cautious, man. Get it on.